Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and tonight we're cooking up one of the most popular Chinese dishes in the world, General Tso's chicken, General Tso's chicken. Doesn't matter how you say it, the General's been gone for centuries, and you can find it in almost every Chinese restaurant you'll ever walk into. You're going to want some breading for your chicken. We're using Special K because we're trying to look like the people on the box, but you can use regular corn flakes, panko flakes, whatever kind of breading you like. And then we're going to crack a couple eggs in a bowl and go ahead and get those whipped up. What we're going to do is we're going to make a little breading station. So also get you about a cup of all-purpose flour, season it up with just some salt and pepper. We got 1.5 pounds of chicken. We're using thigh meat, some dark meat, but you can use white meat, just chop you up some chicken tenders into some little bits. Roll your chicken pieces in your flour, go ahead and roll it in your egg, and then go ahead and throw it in whatever kind of breading you want. Get it rolled up, and then arrange all that chicken, on a baking sheet that you've got greased or sprayed with oil. And then if you've got a little can of olive oil that you can spray on there, spray the top of it, because that'll help to brown it up, make it crispy in the oven, which we're going to slide them into right now at 400 degrees. Let them bake away for about 20 minutes, and boom, look how beautiful these things are. You could eat these just right now, like for chicken nuggets. But this is General Tso's chicken, so we still got some sauce we got to whip up. In a little bowl, we're going to go ahead and throw together some soy sauce, a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette, then some hoisin sauce, which is kind of a thick, sweet sauce you can find in the Asian section of your grocery store, and then some apricot jam. Don't do this. Boom. If you're filming, don't do that, because you get stuff on your lens. But if you're not filming, you can go ahead and plop it in there and make as big a mess as you want. A couple of tablespoons of cornstarch, and then just a little bit less than 2 cups of water, and go ahead and get that stirred up. And then we're going to take a skillet and heat it on medium-high heat. Throw in a couple of teaspoons of sesame oil. If you want a little bit of a kick, throw in some pepper flakes. We'll put you a little bit of garlic in there and some ginger. And then we'll go ahead and push these around in the oil for a couple of minutes, get a little bit of color on them, and then we're going to pour our sauce in there. And this sauce is very thin, but it's going to thicken up really quickly because of the cornstarch we have in there. So go ahead and stir it around in your skillet. Let it come to a bubble. And once it starts bubbling, it's literally just going to be 2 or 3 minutes for this stuff to thicken up. It's going to get very thick and very syrupy. Just after a couple of minutes, once it gets to a nice consistency, we're going to go ahead and push all of that chicken in there. Throw your nice crispy chicken bits in there. Get them all stirred up in this sauce. And then that's it. We just got to dress it up. We're going to take our toasted sesame seeds, sprinkle those all over there as much as you like. And then we got about 3 green onions that we chopped up. That's a nice flavor. It's a nice color. And there you have it. General Tso's chicken. A lot of people serve it up with rice. We're going to serve it with some sauteed cabbage and some noodles. But whatever you want to serve it with, it's going to taste fantastic. So give this recipe a try. Let us know what you think. Bon appetit. And thanks for watching. And definitely make this Chinese meal at home. If you want the pride of knowing that you made a bastardized version of Chinese food in your very own kitchen, then here's your opportunity.